Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tamika, and here on this channel, we talk all things midlife, lifestyle, fashion, wellness, just almost all topics we discuss here on this channel. If that sounds like something that you're interested in and you're new here, don't forget to comment and subscribe. So today I'm going to be sharing 6 travel essentials that you'll probably already have in your closet, especially as we look at traveling for the holiday season. We have Thanksgiving coming up. We've got the Christmas holiday, and a lot of us do short weekend trips. And I started reflecting on what was in my closet and what I plan to pack for these trips. And I thought to myself, I do not need to buy anything. I'm going to wear what's already in my closet. And I started thinking about those 6 essential items that we all need that we already have. These pieces are versatile, stylish, and perfect for keeping you comfortable and looking good while you're on the go. So grab your cup of coffee, tea, or glass of wine, and let's dive in. First, I want to start with neutral knits. Think beige, gray, and even a soft black sweater. These are perfect for layering and can be dressed up or dressed down with a pair of jeans for sightseeing, or you could throw it over a dress for a cozy dinner look. Plus, knits are lifesavers for chilly plane ride or unpredictable weather. The second item is comfortable jeans. Choose your favorite pair that you can wear all day without feeling restricted. I am just new to the jean game. I didn't always wear jeans, didn't always like to wear jeans, but now that I'm finding that I know what I'm looking for in jeans now, that's made it much easier for me to find comfy jeans. I am petite, I am 4'11", so finding jeans that fit, it was really hard for me, but I have discovered if you are petite on the other side of this, if you're watching this and you are a petite woman, I would suggest some brands that have really great petite jeans. That's Abercrombie and Fitch, Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Gap. They have really comfortable jeans that even as a petite woman, I am not a person who wants to dictate what jean styles are in and what jean styles are out. I think that you have to wear what is comfortable for you. That can be straight leg, mom, or even skinny. Whatever works for you, do, so that they could be perfect for travel day, or if you want to explore, if you're going to be going out and doing something interesting, and they can be stretchy, which is even better. When I travel, I always travel in a pair of, I think they're called pajama jeans. Anyone still own pajama jeans? I do. They are skinny and they are stretchy and they're perfect for travel days. So when I do go out and I wear jeans, I always bring a couple pair. I will have my travel jeans, which are my jeggings, my stretchy jeans, and then I bring a pair of jeans that can go from day to night. Next, let's talk about light layers. A cardigan, a denim jacket, or even a lightweight trench is ideal. That's easy to pack, doesn't take up too much space, and can instantly elevate a basic outfit. Plus, layering is key for transitioning between indoor and outdoor activities. So you want to make sure that when you are packing for these short trips, that you're also thinking about layering. And layering helps with not overpacking as well. Next is a basic tee, which I believe is an absolute must, whether or not you prefer long or short sleeves. These are the backbone of any travel outfit. My favorite basic tee is from a company called COS. COS. They have the perfect white tee that I wear either alone or underneath my sweater. I have found that it's not a thin tee. It's on the thicker side, and I find that it washes so well. I have worn this repeatedly. And every time I go to wash it, I always think that when it comes out of the wash, it's not going to look or feel the same. And this tee is probably the best quality t-shirt that I have ever purchased. And it doesn't matter whether or not you prefer long sleeve, short sleeve. These are the backbone of any travel outfit. They work with jeans, skirts, or even underdresses. Stick with a neutral tones like white, black, or gray for maximum versatility. I always stick with either a white or a black tee, but mainly since the beginning of this season, I've been putting a white tee underneath my sweaters. Next up is that everything purse. You know the one, it's roomy enough to hold all of your essentials, but sleek enough to take from day to night. Look for a crossbody or tote style in a neutral shade so it pairs well with everything. When you are making short trips, you don't always want to bring multiple handbags. So just find that one that can go from day to night. I love my Totem T-Lock handbag. This is a bag that with the strap on, I can wear it crossbody, and with the strap off, I can wear it as a clutch. Also, too, you may even want to consider just bringing a tote and having a tote as your day and evening bag if you want something a little bit more substantial. But I would say go for a bag that you can go from day to evening, typically taking the strap on or keeping the strap off. And finally, a pair of day to night boots. Ankle boots in black or brown are my go-to. They are comfortable for walking during the day and stylish enough for dinner for drinks. Bonus points if they're waterproof for unexpected weather. And one bonus tip that I have is don't forget your signature fragrance. A travel-sized bottle of your favorite scent can elevate the vibe and make you feel put together. My favorite fragrance right now is Kilian Don't Be Shy. It is a warm gourmand fragrance with notes of marshmallow, orange blossom, and honeysuckle. I love it. And I think it is perfect fragrance that goes from day to night. And that is the 6 travel essentials that you already own. These pieces will keep you looking stylish and comfortable, no matter where you are and what adventures you may take. Let me know in the comments which of these is your favorite, or if you have any other travel must-haves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.